Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a burst shot on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First, open the camera application on your phone, switch to the photo mode in the mode selection list. Then you're gonna have to swipe the shutter icon either to the left or to the right and let your smartphone take a series of photos. Then open the last photo right here and then tap the folder icon beneath it and select one of the, as you can see, 30 different photos we have in this folder. Tap on the one that you like and tap OK, and then select keep two selected photos, and it will remove the rest, the rest of them. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.